Investments and borrowings are part of current account, capital account, or balance of trade. Now, we know that investments, where do investment come? They come in the balance sheet. They are a capital asset. Similarly, even the borrowings or loan are something which are a capital liability and they come on the balance sheet. Similar to this, even in balance of payment, the loans or borrowings and investments are part of the capital account of balance of payment. Items of capital of balance of payment are of dash as they are measured at a point in time. So are they a vector quantity, are they a stock quantity, are they flow, or all of these? Now you know that anything that is measured at a particular point in time, is a stock concept. A flow, just like a water or a river flow, if you want to remember it like this, is something which happens over a period of time. A stock is something which is lying stationary at one point. So therefore anything that happens at a point in time is a stock concept. Autonomous transactions are done for social welfare, profit motive, balance the deficit, all of these. This we had discussed in a few MCQs earlier also, although not directly in this particular format, that autonomous transactions are always done with an economic mindset or a profit objective. Therefore, the correct answer in this case is B. They are not done for the purpose of social welfare. They are not done for balancing the deficit. Balance of payment is an accounting statement that shows systematic record of all economic transactions between who and who. Is it between the resident and the rest of the world? Is it between the non-resident and rest of the world? Of course, this is not the right answer. What have I got to do with the non-resident and the rest of the world transactions? The resident and a government transaction, if this be the case, then this would have become a totally domestic transaction, which is not covered. Resident and business firm, again, this is a wrong answer. Correct answer is it's a statement which shows systematic records of all transactions between all economic transactions between the residents and the rest of the world. I hope you have been enjoying the multiple choice questions and the economics session that we are doing. If you like these videos and want us to make more of them, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you are studying this on YouTube and you want more MCQs, you can go back and look at this link at the bottom, arinjaacademy.com/economics, for more multiple choice questions. See you again. Dash refers to the transaction which involved transfer of title or ownership of goods and services. Non-economic transaction, economic transactions, both or none. Now, economic transactions are the one which involve transfer of title or ownership of goods and services. Non-economic transactions are more to do with the social welfare or the beneficial transfers, just like we had mentioned, transfer from a parent to a son in the form of love, gift, etc. The items which can be seen, touched, or felt are known as visible items because you can see them. They are not invisible items, but these are visible items. Now, if you actually see, even goods are something which can be touched or felt. But when you get two options which are closely linked to each other, you have to see which one is the more common thing. So therefore, visible item would be the correct answer in this case. The items which cannot be seen or touched but only felt are known as invisible item. You can see visible item, you can feel and touch goods, so invisible item is the correct answer. Unilateral transfers are also known as one-sided transactions, two-sided transactions, three-sided transactions, none of the above. Of course, the answer is one-sided transaction because the word uni itself means one. So these are one-sided transfers between, let's say, a father sending scholarship or money, or not scholarship money, school fees for a son who is studying in USA. It's a unilateral transfer, one-way transfer. Balance of payment account uses dash system of accounting for recording transactions. Of course, the balance of payment uses double entry system of accounting. It does not use the single entry system of accounting. Therefore, the correct answer is option A. All inflows of foreign exchange are recorded on dash side of the balance of payment account. Inflows mean the money is coming in. It's kind of an income or a receipt. We know that income or receipt when drawn in a statement are recorded on the credit side. Therefore, the correct answer is answer B. I hope you have been enjoying the multiple choice questions and the economics session that we are doing. If you like these videos and want us to make more of them, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you are studying this on YouTube and you want more MCQs, you can go back and look at this link at the bottom, arinjaacademy.com/economics, for more multiple choice questions. See you again.